How to use the most common English expression, "How's it going?" in your daily life. How's it going is one of the most common English expressions, and it's typically used as a greeting. It's often abbreviated as a "how are you?" or simply "how are ya?" When someone asks you, "How's it going?" they're usually just making small talk and they're not actually expecting you to give them a detailed update on your life. In most cases, you can just respond with a brief answer like "good" or "fine." However, if you want to keep the conversation going, you can also ask the person how they're doing in return. By doing this, you're showing that you're interested in hearing about their day and that you care about how they're doing. Asking follow-up questions is also a great way to build rapport with someone and make them feel appreciated. So, next time someone asks you, "How's it going?" take the opportunity to ask them how they are too. I hope you found it useful and informative. Remember to check our playlist for more lessons on how to use common English expressions in your daily life. Thanks for watching.